Morning. Today you're going to be doing an investigation to find out a little bit more about moments. Let's have a look at the equipment you're going to be using. First of all, we've got a balance, you'll have some masses, and of course you'll have your results table and a pen. Now your first challenge will be to set up the balance properly. It's got a base, it's got the pivot in the middle, but here's the important bit. You will notice that the numbers start at 1 and then move outwards. And then on the other side the numbers start at 1 and then move outwards, and all the numbers are on the same side. Okay, how to do the practical. It's going to require a little bit of imagination. We are going to imagine that each of these levers are 1 metre long, and therefore each number represents 10 centimetres. That's a bit of artistic licence there. We're also going to imagine that each of these masses will exert a downward force, or exert a force of 1 Newton. That will just help us with our maths in a bit. Then we have a look at the results table. Now there's already some information in here. So what you're going to do, number 1 tells us that we want 3 of the masses, and we want to hang those 3 masses at 0.6 metres from the pivot. So, what was it? 3 of them at 0.6 metres. So let's hang on there. Okay, and then also along row number 1 we've got a second bit of information which tells us on the right hand side we want to hang 2 of the masses, but it doesn't tell you where. And what I'm going to ask you to do is you've got to figure out where to hang those 2 masses to get this balanced in the middle. Then you're going to use the calculation that I've just shown you to calculate the moment to the left and the moment to the right. You then repeat that for each of the different rows, and you're going to see if you can spot a pattern. Alright, off you go.